So let's understand one question of map report writing. Okay, so in map also report writing is there. So in this picture you have seen there are two images. First one is the Bill Hill Farm 1976 and second one is Environment Center 2006. So what changes has been done in these years that has been depicted in these two pic snapshots. Okay, so let's understand the question first. The picture above shows Hill Farm in 1976 and changes that took place in 2006. Okay, so if you observe the picture, in the first picture, Bell Hill Farm, so there is a storage that is for a farm machinery. Then the next picture is of corn. Okay, then cow sheds. Okay, chicken, farmhouse, and in the center it is written farmyard, right? So this has been given in the first picture. In the second picture, what has been, it has been given is parking area. So this, the west part has been converted into parking area, multimedia room in the northern part, student housing, farmhouse remains the farmhouse in the south, and the secretariat area in the center. Okay, so these are the changes. So you have to write the report based on these pictures. So let's see, summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So let's understand how it can be written. The given map shows the Bell Hill Farm in 1976 and the changes that took place over a period of 30 years. So the time gap between 76 to 2006 is 30 years. It can be seen that the farm was transformed into an environment center by 2006. In 1976, there was a farmyard in the center which was replaced by recreational area in 2006. So it is converted into a recreational area. The barn in which the corn was stored in 1976 was replaced by multimedia room in 2006. So here in the northern part, it was a barn and it has now been converted into multimedia room, right? The storage for farm machinery on the northwest was converted into a car parking area. So you can see that the storage was storage for the machinery. It has been converted into parking area. Okay. Converted, the farmhouse on the south side was not changed at all. The cow shed and the poultry area on the east was converted into student housing. On the eastern side, it, as you can see, it is converted into student housing. Earlier it was cow shed. Okay, so this is how the change has been made. Okay, the farmhouse on the south side was not changed at all. The cow shed and poultry area on the east was converted into student housing. The roads on the west were also not altered and remain as they were in 1976. So you can see the road in both the pictures. Okay, so it remains as it is. Now coming to the next part, therefore, that is it can be seen that the Bell Hill Farm of 1976 underwent a complete transformation and became an environmental center over a period of 3 decades. So this is the conclusion. So you can write it in this way. This is a simple depiction. Not much has been, thing has to be added from your side. It's just you have to write it as it is given. I hope so you understand the map report writing.